Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well and taking very good care of yourself. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss about consequences of deforestation. Alright. So, here I just write some points and I am going to explain one by one. Alright. So, the very first point is soil erosion. Alright. So, you know that when trees are present, that root of the trees hold the soil tightly. So, soil erosion cannot take place. Now, when we start cutting down trees means deforestation. So, the top layer of the soil to get easily washed away by water. And what happens when soil get easily washed away? The fertility of the soil lost because fertility of soil which is present in the top layer of the soil, now that layer get washed away, and so there is no humus in the soil, so there is no fertility. So the deforestation causes soil erosion and it makes the soil infertile. Due to gradual erosion of fertile topsoil, the land gets converted into desert. This is called desertification. Now, the second one point is loss of species. Okay. So now what happens is when we cut down a forest in a larger scale. So actually there are a lot of animals, lot of birds, insects which are living in the forest. Now when we cut down a forest, we are actually disturbing the habitat of all those animals. Okay. So obviously these animals do not have their habitat, so they do not have food, they do not have shelter, so they do not have survive and they have to die. So forests are natural habitat of many species of animals, and cutting down of trees destroy the homes of these species which poses a threat to their survival. For example, giant panda. Giant panda is an endangered species, and now because it survives only on bamboo trees, and now the bamboo forest which are natural habitat of the panda have been cleared for farming and in the name of development. So as a result, only a few giant pandas are left their natural surroundings. So this is really very disappointing. Only human activities are responsible for deforestation, and that causes these harmful effects. Now the third one point is increase concentration of CO2. Okay. So trees, you know that trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during photosynthesis. All right. And deforestation increases the level of carbon dioxide, because you know that when trees cut down, and you know that only trees are maintain the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen in the nature. But when these trees cut down, what happens? Obviously carbon dioxide gas increases. So deforestation increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and disturbs the natural balance of gases in the atmosphere. Increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide may lead to increase in global temperature, which is called global warming. And you know, global warming disturbs the water cycle, reduce rainfall. All right. So increased concentration of CO2 means global warming is also a major harmful effect of deforestation. Now the third one point is destroy forest ecosystem. How? So you know that the entire ecosystem in the forest because of the plants. And when we cut down all the plants, obviously the animals can't survive there. So that means the entire ecosystem is spoiled. Alright. Now the last one is possibility of flood increases. Why? Because you know that plants hold soil tightly. I mean plants roots hold soil tightly, and because of this the water holding capacity of the soil also more. Now there was no plants. Obviously when there was no plants, so soil soil is easily carried away by the water, and also the water holding capacity of the soil reduces. So now when the water holding capacity of the soil decreases, what will happen? The soil will not be able to hold water and there will be more water in the surface, and that we call as flood. So this is also a very harmful effects of deforestation.